everyone, welcome to Nanina Live Classes. Today our revision assignment is chapter 2. The 4 operations you can refer exercise 2.7 to 2.9. There are 16 libraries in a town. The total number of books in all the libraries is 7,25,986. If one library has 1,06,000 books and all the other 15 libraries have an equal number of books, how many books does each library have? So here we have to use two operations. First operation, we have to subtract from this number to this number. Okay, then what we will get other books. So what are the left books? So that we have to divide with 50. So what are the given total number of books in 16 libraries? That is, see, that is 7,25,986. Okay, and only one library have 1,06,000 books. Only one library have 1,06,000 books. We have to subtract. Now 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 9 minus 0, 9. 5 minus 0, 5. And 2 minus 0, 2. 7 minus 1 is 6. So remaining all other 15 libraries have an equal number of books. So what we have to do? We have to do the division. We have to do the division. So which number? That is 6,25,980 is divided by 15. Now see, 15 is 2-digit number. We are following few rules by doing long division method. So first we are comparing here 2-digit number. So we can take here 2-digit number. 62 is greater than 50. So how many times it will be go? So that is 4 times. 4 50s are 60. Now 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down 5. 25. Now 1. Approximately 1 time. Now subtract 15 once 15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now bring down 9. Okay. So approximately how many times we can take? We can take 7 times. 7 50s are 105. Now 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now bring down 8. So 48. How many times we can take? Approximately 3 times. That is 45. 15. 3s are 45. We have to subtract from 48. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Now bring down 0. How many times it will be? 2 times. 2 50s are 30. So is 0. What did you get? 41,732. 41,732. Okay. So which is the correct option of the given one? 41,732. Option 4. Next one. A total of 70,226 children from 27 different schools participated in a sport event. Okay. So how many children are participated? 70,226. 26. From how many schools? 27 different schools. Okay. Now, if an equal number of students participated from each school, how many students from each school took part in the event? So, here what we have to do? Which operation we have to apply? So, is nothing but division, because each school children are same number. All 27 schools participated are same number of students. So the total already we know, number of schools we know. So we can find from one school number of participants. Okay. So which operation? That is nothing but division. So here 17,226 is divided by 27. Okay. Now how many times? Here what we have to do? Using long while doing long division method, we have to compare first numbers. So 27 here. So here we can take two digits, 17. So 17 is less than the 27. We have to go through the next number. So that is 2. 172. So here approximately how many times we can take? Can we take 6 times? See, 6 sevens are 42, 4, 6 twos are 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. Now subtract, 2 minus 2 is 0, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now from here take down 2. Okay, so how many times we can take approximately? We can take approximately 3 times. 3 27s. 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 twos are 3 twos are here, 3 sevens are 21, 2, 3 twos are 6 plus 2 is 8. Now subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1. Can we subtract 0 minus 8? No, regroup it. So 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. This one will become 0. Okay, now bring down 6. Bring down 6. So how many times we can take approximately? Take 8 times. 8 sevens are 56, 5. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So not approximately, it will be exactly, that is 638. 638. So 638 students from each school took part in the event. So the option is 1. Required option is 1. Okay. Next one. Mohit earned rupees 58,000 per month for a year. His sister earned rupees 2,89,000 that same year. How much money did both of them earn together in that year? So here we have to do two operations. We know only how much money earned by Mohit only in 1 month only. But we have to find for 1 year. So 1 year equal to 12 months. So already you know 1 month money. How much he earned by 1 month. So 12 into 1 month amount will get 1 year amount. Okay. And then we have to add his sister how much amount earned by in a year. So we get total amount both together, earned by both together. So first which operation we have to do? We have to do first we have to find the earned by 1 per month to 1 year. We have to find the 1 year amount. So that is per month he earned 58,000 and per year equal to 12 months. Now multiply, you will get 1 year amount. 12 zeros 0, 0, 0. 12 8s are 96, 9. 12 5s are 60 plus 9 is 69. So you got the 6,96,000 per year. Okay. Now how much amount earned by his sister in a year? 2,89,000. That is 2,89,000. Now add two amounts. We get 0 plus 0 is 0. 0, 0, 6 plus 9 is 15, 1, 1 plus 9 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18, 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So we get 9,85,000. Which is the correct option? That is 2. The required option is 1. Which is the correct option here? 1. 9,85,000. So required option is 1. Now, if you subtract 30 from a number, okay, what do you get? If you subtract 30 from a number and then you have to divide by 22. The quotient is 432. What was the original number? You don't know which is the original number. You have to find the original number. So for that, what we have to do here? Actually, you don't know unknown number. So from that, you are subtracting 30. Then after, you are dividing with 22. Okay, you will get 432 is the answer. So we have to find this original number. So for that, first we are multiply 22 into 432. 22 into 432. See here, 432 into 22. Now 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s are 8. Now ones place should be 0 because we are multiplying with tens place number. Again 2 2s 4, 2 3s 6, 2 4s are 8. Now add 4 plus 0 is 4. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 plus 8 is 9. So we'll get 9504. 9504. So then for that we have to add. How much we have to add? 30. So we'll add 30. Now we'll get 9534. 9534. Which is the correct option? Option 2. What is the original number? 9534. Next number, if you add 9 to a number and then multiply by 12, the product is 324. What was the original number? Okay, so here if you add 9 to a number, so you don't know the number, okay, but you are adding how much? 9. Then you are multiplying 12. So the product is 324. The product is 324. What was the original number? So just hint is given. Start by dividing with 324 by 12. So means we are dividing first 324 by 12. Okay. So 324 by 12. So here again long division. So how many times we can take? Here 32 we are taking 2 digit number. So how many times we can take? Approximately 2 times. So 2 twice are 24. Subtract. Now 2 minus 4 we cannot. Regroup it. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Here this 3 will become 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring down 4. So 84. How many times? 7 twice are 84. Okay. So we'll get 27. Okay. Now we have to, here we are adding. So what we have to do here? We have to subtract. So from 27, which number we have to subtract? That is 9. Okay. So subtract 27 minus 9. 7 minus 9 can be? No. So regroup it. 7 will become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. So this will be 1. So 18. The original number is 18. So the required option is 2. So the unknown number is 18. So 18 plus 9 into 12 will get 324. 18 plus 9 is 27. Into 12 will get 324 children. You can check it once again here. We'll get answer. The original number is 18. Option is 2. Next one. If 3,45,879 people travel in a metro and 4,69,532 people travel by bus, how many more people travel by the bus than the metro? Round up to the nearest 10,000. So first what we have to do here? We have to subtract. Okay. Now how many people are travelled by bus? That is 4,69,532. Okay. Minus how many people were travelled in metro? That is 3,45,879. Now subtract. So 2 minus 9 can be? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup it. Okay. So 2 will become 12. Okay. This 3 will become 2. 12 minus 9 is 3. 2 minus 7 we cannot. Again we have to regroup it. 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now this will be 4. Regroup it. 4 will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. This will become 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1,23,653. So we have to round off to the nearest 10,000s. So we have to round off the given number is rounding to the nearest 10,000. So while rounding nearest 10,000s, we have to look after which place, that is nothing but thousands place. What is the thousands place number? 3. So 3 is below 5. So we have to take below thousands. Okay, below 10,000s. Means that number is in between 1,20,000 and 1,30,000. Below 10,000 means 1,20,000. So which is the correct option? Option 1. The required option is 1. Next, estimated value of 8,379 into 8 to the nearest tens is. So here we have to estimate the value. So what are the given numbers? 8,379 into 8. So what is the nearest tens of 8,379? That is nothing but 8,380. What is the nearest tens of 8? Nothing but 10. So if you multiply just one number, we are adding, that is nothing but 0 in one's place. So 0, 0, 8, 3, 8. We'll get 8 lakh, we'll get 83,800. 83,800. If you multiply, it will be rounding to the nearest tens is 8,380 and it is 10. We'll get, just we are adding one place, that is 83,800. So which is the correct option? Option 3. Required option is 3. Next one, the estimated value of 9,370 minus 5,200 to the nearest thousands is. So here we have to rounding to the nearest thousands. What is the nearest thousands? While rounding nearest thousands, which place we have to look after? That is nothing but hundreds place. So that is 3. So 3 is below 5. So below thousands we have to take. Means that number in between 9,000 and 10,000. So below thousands means 9,000. Now coming to 5,200. Again we have to look after hundreds place. So hundreds place number is 2. Hundreds place number is 2. 2 is below 5. Below 5 means below thousands we have to take. Means that number in between 5,000 and 6,000. Below thousands means 5,000. So near to the 1,000 is 5,000. So what did you get? 9,000 minus 5,000, what did you get? Is 4,000. So which is the correct option? Option 1. Next one, the estimated value of 7,700 plus 5,420 to the nearest thousands is. So again we have to round into the nearest thousands, then you have to add. Okay. Now which place we have to look after while rounding to the nearest thousands? That is hundreds place. Hundreds place is 7. 7 is above 5. Means above thousands we have to take. That is that number in between 7,000 and 8,000. Above 5 means above thousands is nothing but 8,000. Now 5,420. So look after hundreds place, that is 4. 4 is below 5. Below 5 means below thousands we have to take. This number in between 5,000 and 6,000. Below 1,000 means we have to take 5,000. So while adding 8,000 plus 5,000 we get 13,000. Okay. Which is the correct option of that? That is option 4. The required option is 4. Next one. A wholesale shop sold 1,215 packets of spoons. Okay. There were 26 spoons in one packet. How many spoons are there? 26. How many packets are there? 1,250. Okay. How many spoons were sold? Okay. If these spoons were sold for rupees 3 per spoon, how much money was collected from the sale of spoons? Okay, so what we have to do for that? So you know how many number of packets and you know how many number of spoons in a packet. So total number of spoons you can find. So that is nothing but 1215 into 26. Now multiply 6 5s are 33. 6 1 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 2 is 12. 1. 6 1 6 plus 1 is 7. 1's place should be 0 or cross it. 2 5s 10. 1. 2 1's 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2's 4. 2 1's are 2. Now 0, 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1. Now 3. So total spoons were 31,590. Now each spoon, what is the cost of each spoon? If these spoons were sold per spoon, how much? Rupees? 3 rupees. So multiply with 3. Now 3 zeros 0, 3 nines are 27, 2, 3 fives are 15 plus 2 is 17, 1, 3 ones 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 threes are 9. So we get how much? 94,770 rupees. Okay. So the required option is 3. So once again practice all operations, children. Thank you.